ka Jingïapynbeit put hakawat ka baar hapnang ka Meghalaya bat Assam kala sange klam da don shu ki Jingïalang jong ki regional committee ne ka jingli jengo jong baro ki atli ki jela minta la da kibnai wat ba ka sarkar jela kala ong ba ka dan ka Jingïapynbeit bat ka Assam haba kren halor ka ne khot ka regional committee jong ka Ribhoi district ubaderu MLA ka Nongpoh uba Meral Bonds em uba la ong ru ba ka dang don ka Jingïapynbeit bat ka Assam Henry namar ba ka dang don ka election MP kumta ka ne kala sa Teng bat hadin bala penbena ya ka result MP insala ban simbia ya karai halor ka tarik bat ban ya shikmat ya ka ne ka kam ka ban sa Teng.
See, as a member of the regional committee of Ribhoi district and under the leadership of the Honorable Chairman or Deputy Chief Minister, we have been engaged with our counterpart, government of Assam, also the regional committee from Assam also. But now due to the MP election, Lok Sabha, and we hope that after the declaration of the result of the MP election, now MCC also is in place, we hope that the two regional committee we will decide the date on that, and we could pursue ahead the long pending matter with regards to the talk on the second phase, especially the area of difference in Ribhoi district, which is Nongpoh, Bordwar, Desdomria, and Block 2. These are the 4 parts which are there in Ribhoi district. And I'm very optimistic this time around that after the general election in the Lok Sabha, we will positively have a meeting and then followed by a spot inspection to this particular area, keeping in mind the interests of the general public at large. That is the, we have, as the elected representative, we have been mandated with this task, with this responsibility, and I hope that we could live up to the expectation of the people of our state. Despite many challenges has been there in the past, and I'm not wrong to say that even in near future also, challenges will always be there, especially with this kind of issue with regard to resolving the border problem, especially after we're having a porous border with our counterpart, state Assam.